In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an eBay gift card. Let's walk through the entire checkout flow so you can send a thoughtful gift in just a few minutes with no confusion along the way. First, head to the official eBay gift card page at ebay.com/giftcards. Make sure you're on the legitimate eBay website before entering any details. Once the page loads, look for the Buy Gift Card button. You can also start by choosing whether you want an e-gift card, which is delivered by email, or a physical gift card, which is mailed to a shipping address or purchased for in-store gifting. Next, confirm the type that best suits your situation. Choose an e-gift card if you want instant or near-instant delivery and no shipping fees. It's perfect for last-minute gifts. Pick a physical gift card if you prefer something tangible to hand over. Just remember that delivery times depend on shipping, and there may be extra costs or timing to consider. Now, choose the amount you want to load onto the card. Available amounts can vary based on the seller or retailer, and some listings let you enter a custom value within a set range. Think about what the recipient might want to buy and pick an amount that's practical for them. If there's an option to pick a design or occasion, feel free to personalize it. This is optional, but it's a nice touch if the card is for a birthday, a thank you, or a holiday. Enter the recipient's details carefully. For e-gift cards, type the recipient's email address and double-check it to avoid delivery issues. For physical gift cards, enter a complete and accurate shipping address, including apartment or unit numbers if needed. Add a message if you'd like. Keep it short and friendly. Some fields have character limits, so a concise note works best. Choose your payment method. You can typically pay with a credit or debit card or other supported checkout options. Ensure your billing information is correct to avoid delays. Before you place the order, review everything. Confirm the card type, amount, design, recipient details, payment method, and the total, including any taxes or shipping. Look for the estimated delivery date or email delivery window. When everything looks good, click Buy or Confirm Purchase. You'll receive an order confirmation, and the gift card will be sent according to the delivery method you chose. If it's an e-gift card, remind the recipient to check their inbox and spam folder. And that's it. You've successfully bought an eBay gift card.